What's up, guys? I'm back at it again. Today, here's Bryce. He's my cousin. You can't even... Okay. What the heck? Okay, so I'm gonna be like, turn it off. I'm gonna be pretty much showing you what it's like on my electric dirt bike or whatever. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you stuff that it has first. Okay, could you get off, please? Okay, putting the kickstand up. It's raining, so I don't really want to. Okay, so it's number 5. This blue, it's Razor, and it has like stickers all over it. Wish they're better stickers, whatever. It says the 15 mile per hour electric scooters is 300, and this one's 350. So this one goes like, I was riding bike right next to it, and it had a speedometer on it, and it said that this thing was going 18 miles per hour. That it was fully charged. And right now, it will go like 16 probably. Yeah. So, Bryce is gonna... No, actually I'll ride it, and then you can ride it. Yeah. Tires are kind of in the back. Just part of the tire is worn out. Right here. Honk, honk. Okay, it's just worn out right there. A little bit. That's it. All the tires is good though. Like, I like it. I don't like it. I love it, love it, love it.
Uh-oh.
Okay. It. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so I'm just gonna drive down a little ways, and like, I'm just gonna show you what it's like. So I'm gonna be like holding it over here so you can see, you know? Okay. Oh god, it farted. I don't know if you could hear it though. Could you?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do this. Do that. Do that. I don't want to drop my thing.
Tablet. Just so you know, his mom is cooking brats on the grill, so.
Yeah, and hot dogs.
Yummy, yummy.
And hot dogs. Oh god, I really don't want to drop this. I don't feel like
Don't kill it!
I don't feel like it's safe, so I'll just put it in my shirt. Okay, you guys, I'm sorry for this horrible quality. See if it's still recording, and then about me. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I don't think that I'm gonna be able to do this. So,
I'm gonna hold it.
okay.
It's still recording.
I know. Hold it up. No, you can't do that because it sees that. Okay. Just watch me. Watch how fast it goes. Okay? Okay. Rain. Don't hold it in the rain. Get under the roof. Okay.
Well, I'm going through the rain! What's up?
Okay, now, let me see it. Let me see it. It's Bryce's turn, so get on. Let's get started again. Just do what I did. Like, yeah. Okay. Crap, the screen is wet. Where is he? Where you going? Okay, let's get started. Whoa! Why are you turning it on there? Jeez! Go full speed down the street! Don't stop like that! Oh, he just biffed it! Where is he? He's mysterious. Where is he? Don't stop like that! Don't stop like that! I don't know what that was. Okay. This is gonna be the. Okay, this is gonna be the end of the video. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'm Will.
I'm Bryce.
And this is the end. Bye. And this is the Dirt Bike.